Unit 11. It's rainy. Lesson 1. Listen, read, and role play. It's rainy today. I like rainy days. It's windy too. Whoa, my umbrella. A. Vocabulary. Listen, point, and say. The weather. Sunny. Cloudy. Rainy. Windy. Hot. Cold. Lesson 1A Activities. 1. Look and circle. 1. Cloudy, rainy. 2. Windy, sunny. 3. Cold, hot. 4. Sunny, cloudy. Two, look and match. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hot, windy, rainy, cloudy. Three, look, connect, and write. 1. HOTD. 2. SUNNYG. 3. COLDB. 4. WINDYE. 5. RAINYL. 6. CLOUDYE. Listen and notice. Syllables. 1 syllable. Hot, cold. 2 syllables. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy. Look, read, and write. 1 syllable. 2 syllables. Cold, sunny, hot, rainy. B. Language. Talking about the weather. Listen, point, and say. It's plus, e.g., it's raining today. I like, e.g., I like rainy days. It's windy too. Lesson 1B Activities. 1. Look and complete. 1. It's today. 2. It's today. 3. Today. 4. 2. Read and match. 1. I like windy days. 2. I like cold days. 3. I like sunny days. 4. I like rainy days. 1. I like windy days. 2. I like cold days. 3. I like sunny days. 4. I like rainy days.